Hey guys, so I got home from Italy last night and now I'm packing for our beach trip. I drove home this morning and I'm unpacking from Italy and then packing up for the beach, and the house is just an absolute wreck. But I wanted to show you my beach bag really fast. I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, Maria Della Mar, or I don't know, I'll link it below, but you can customize it with your initials or with what colors you want, and it's so cute. I have all my stuff in here for the beach, and my peanut butter. Don't leave home without this stuff. So yes, I will update you guys as I pack. Okay, you guys, our car is packed. George is a little upset that we're leaving. Our car is packed up. I don't know how we're gonna see out the top. We have our new espresso machine ready to go, our poofs. Oh, Frankie's outside too. Hey guys. Chris is just in the bathroom, so we're waiting on him. So we have about an hour left to drive.
2 if you count my driving.
You're not really in it.
Yeah.
There he is. We have an hour left and we've been cruising along. I drove for an hour. Now Chris is driving. Oh, Eddie. What is that noise?
I have no idea. And it just started happening. That's what I don't. What if I just ran over a bird and it's there and it's making an obnoxious.
Yeah, can you guys hear the squeaking noise that's happening?
It's obnoxious.
Where is that even coming from?
It sounds like it's coming from up here.
Do you think there's a bird in our car?
No. I mean, you did pack a lot of stuff. There's nothing.
This is all of our stuff. That's so weird.
But it's literally the same sound. So I mean, obviously it's something technological, but I
think it might be my iPad or something. Like a little tweet sound. My iPad.
It is your iPad?
No, I don't think so. I think there's a bird in our car.
Multiple chirpings?
I'm hearing multiple chirpings.
Oh my god.
Aren't you?
Yeah. When I've started instinctively focusing on it, it sounds like there's multiple.
It sounds like.
Oh mother of God.
Is there a bird
There's
in
a
here?
bird in our car.
What should we do?
I have absolutely no idea, but I am oh yeah, there's definitely birds. There's definitely, because we're hearing multiple ones.
What if they're little babies?
I mean, I'm having anxiety attack right now. Are you dead serious? You're not pranking me right now?
I'm not pranking you.
And it's the second chirp is this.
Oh my god. You won't believe what it is.
What is it?
The back windshield wipers are on.
We might collectively be the 2 dumbest people on this planet. Between the both of us, there are 3 degrees and a master's degree. And we've been trying to unsolve this Da Vinci Code for.
We did not plan that. That was all just.
Oh, that's
real. That's a relief, right? There's not a bird in here.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do.
Just got to the beach house. Here's a little tour. We're definitely going to replace this. There's a little room with twin beds in here. Here's the kitchen. It's really tiny. It's only 1,000 square feet, but it's perfect for what we wanted. And we're gonna redo the kitchen eventually and paint this white or put in all new cabinets. We don't know yet. Little eating area, living room. I bought a bunch of new pillows, which is why there's pillow stuff right there. We have a little deck. You can see the ocean that way. There is a guest bedroom here. And then a bathroom here, another bathroom here, and then this is the master. Oh, hey, baby.
Hey.
I'm giving a little tour.
You giving a tour? I'm chillaxing.
Winnie, you like it? Alright, I have my Target bag here. I think I'm going to replace this tray with the one I got from Target. Let's see how it looks. Alright, what do you think about this? I'm not sure about these shells either. This is just stuff that was already here, so I just went ahead and put it there. I think the white looks a lot better though. This little tray is so cute. It's from Opal House from Target. It doesn't say the price on it. Oh, $29.99. And it also comes in like a darker color. Okay, carrying in, whew, oh no, the poof. See how it looks. Oh, that looks great. What do you think, Winnie? So, these were the poofs that were here before. They're fine, but these are just so cute. What do you think? We definitely plan to replace this entire table. It's just really old. I guess we could get this fabric just redone or reupholstered or whatever, but I did get some new placemats. So let's see what those look like. Pretty. And I think we'll just take this thing away. I brought this candle, but this is kind of weird. Is it? Is the plant weird? Good morning. We just woke up. Chris is making some coffee.
Uh-oh. You gotta let me know so I can put a shirt on. Nobody wants to see this.
Oh, look at that sexy man.
Oh,
Little Winnie is over here basking in the sun. Hey, Win. Say hi. And I think for breakfast, this is my favorite breakfast ever. I've been having it like every single morning. A brown rice organic rice cake, and the only ingredient is organic whole grain brown rice. I don't know why it's not focusing. So one of those with some peanut butter on it. Best combination ever, especially with coffee. So I just got a package and I'm gonna open it. I think I know what's in here.
You ordered it.
How pretty are those? I thought they would be perfect for a week at the beach. Babe, do you like them?
They're gonna look good on me. I'm going through work emails.
You
oh,
like
those
it?
are pretty. End of day one.
Alright, ready?
In the middle of pouring rain. Oh, yeah, give me kids weenie. Walking in Memphis.
I will spare you guys my voice.
Okay. You're walking in the field.
Sing it, baby.
Oh. Do you really feel the way I feel?
Winnie.
Here you are, sweetie. I gotta put you down before people start thinking I'm Michael Jackson and his daughter.
What?
That's when he was
You're
like,
gonna hang her over the balcony?
oh, I'm not that dumb.
Cheers.
Cheers. Day one in the books.
Drinking our organic wine and looking at the sunset.
There you go.
Is Winnie tired? Winnie, you tired?
From all the barking she was doing while we were at dinner.
Yeah, really. Feel bad for our neighbors.
Liable to either fall off or get hit by a car.
So Chris and I just picked up our bikes. We got, what are they called, cruisers? I have a teal one, Chris got a steel gray one.
Steel blue.
Oops, steel blue. So we're gonna take them out and see how they ride. Look how pretty it is!
Now there's a speed limit in this neighborhood.
What's the speed limit? 75? Uh-oh, there's a speed bump. We're looking at all the pretty houses. Love that one. That one. It's okay. Oh yeah, let's buy that lot, baby. Hey guys, so it is now, is it Friday? No, it's Thursday. So basically, we haven't really vlogged this week. I haven't been wearing any makeup. We haven't been doing very much. We've been just going to the beach or the pool every day, playing board games. We have made lunches and dinners at the house, and it was just really nice to take a break. Like I said, I didn't wear makeup for like 5 days, so finally I woke up this morning and put on some makeup, and my parents are actually on the way down. They'll probably get here this afternoon, but I wanted to set up the Nespresso this morning, so I thought you guys could watch me do it. We'll just do a little time lapse while I'm setting it up, and then we can try it out together.
I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true.
So here is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna have to read this owner's manual to figure out how to set it up, but we have plenty of little espresso pods, but the one thing that I don't have is milk, so I won't be able to make like a latte this morning. Maybe I can just have an espresso shot or something. We'll see, but it's beautiful. I really love it. I just don't know where to put it, so we gotta figure that out too. I just got dressed for the beach, and Chris and I are gonna go take a picture in this outfit. It's, the cover up is Lily Pulitzer. So we're gonna go take a picture and then maybe grab some lunch, maybe go to the beach. I'm not sure. Winnie, what should we do today? Winnie just had some peanut butter and she's really happy about it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
The faster we take a picture, the faster we can get to the beach.
That's true. Let's go. I'm back with the whole family. Oh, here. Say hey, everybody.
Hi,
everybody. Hey, Daddy. So we just went for a walk on the beach, and the dogs got to come. Now we're gonna go to the pool, I think, and lay out. Oh, and I'm gonna make a cappuccino, my first one. So I'll update you on how that goes. Making a cappuccino for the first time. I can even figure out how to.
Gives you a little rhythm there. You can dance.
What else can I do?
Stir it up. What? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen?
It like
Lily,
blows up or
Lily, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? It looks pretty.
Wow, that looks really pretty.
Next up, so the one here, I think this other one right here. Apparently they had a bunch of.
Alright, you get to taste it first. I won't show your face.
Don't we need? Oh, it's warm.
New cabinets.
Don't we need a
and
little,
bunch of new furniture and
sugar?
like a bunch of new stuff.
A little brown sugar to put on top.
I don't know.
Oh, that's hot.
Okay, everyone is at the pool. We decided to go to the pool because the beach is super, super windy today, so we're all at the pool. Yay! What you reading, Chris?
Football for a Buck. Basically about the history of the USFL and how it rise and quickly failed under Donald Trump.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So that's a USF. Well, I'll probably put my shirt on for too long.
Brought some Skinny Pop down with me to the pool. And also brought some Gushers. I have to eat healthy next week because we have not been eating healthy. This is my favorite sunscreen. It's the best.
Thanks, Mama.
Alright, well, I'm going to do some puzzles and I'll talk to you guys later.